Merry Christmas! Now it's I go out to go in the church, and then I just see to the taxi that I go down just to make video of my Christmas tree. The Christmas tree of the compound, okay? Oh, you say. So Merry Christmas to all of us. So this one is the new head. We are here, and I'm in the another building. So we did it. I just finished of my of my mass, attending mass for the Christmas mass. Okay? So thank you again for watching. That is gift from my mother. The shoes, what I have, and the attire, what I have. To say Merry Christmas again, Happy New Year. Thank you madam for the hadiah. Thank you sir, and thank you Sisi and to Coco for my attire of my Christmas gift from my employer. Thank you so much and bye bye.